Hello everyone and welcome back to another Investillionaire special. In this video we'll be doing a quick update on the crypto market as well as take a look at some news regarding Blocktopia and Wonderland projects. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So here we are on CoinMarketCap, and today we do see that in general the market is doing relatively okay. Like it's not it's going sideways, actually, not really going up, not really going down. So things are looking meh at the moment. If we take a look into the projects that have gained, we do see that Helium over the last 24 hours have gained 13%, which is nice. Gala Games also is up, and a few other tokens. So far, we're still not sure what's gonna happen in terms of the overall crypto market. It's still dangerous right now to try to trade. If you want to get into some projects right now, for the long term, you can get into them. And actually, Helium is one of the good projects that we hold. So now let's move on quickly into some news today. So the first news that we have is regarding Wonderland TIME project. So as you have all seen, the price of Wonderland has crashed. It has crashed over the last month pretty hard. So right now the price is sitting around $500, which is what I've predicted. Actually, I've predicted that in my previous videos on Wonderland. For the short term, I told you guys the price will crash to 500. And a lot of people said, no, it's not possible. The backing price is 2,000. You know, they're going to do the buyback, blah, blah, blah. But they don't understand. They don't understand is that Daniel has made a big mistake. He's made a big mistake. And that mistake is keeping the APY high. I've seen all the other projects crash because of this. They are not fixing their APY, guys. How can the price sustain? Eventually people are gonna sell. They're just getting free coins out of thin air being pumped out to them. Of course they're gonna sell. I'm gonna sell. Everybody's gonna sell. So you take a look into it, you go into their website, and they still have the APY. The APY 82,000%. Not taking any action. This is a big mistake, and I'm pissed off with Daniel for that. Not taking any action to fix the root cause of the problem. Instead, all he says is, I've got you on the backing price, we're building stuff. We understand. We believe in the project in the long term. We understand it's a very good project. You're gonna invest, do a lot of investments. You're a pioneer, you're building this stuff, but you have to stop the bleeding. This is the bleeding that is happening here. 82,000%. Guys, how much is that? For someone that has a lot of money into it, a whale, he's making almost 0.61% every 8 hours. So almost 2%. He's making 2% per day. Okay? 2% on 1 million. How much is that? You do the math. It's a lot of money, guys. So of course they're gonna sell. Of course the price is gonna crash, and the treasury will not be able to sustain this. It will not be able to sustain this. Even if you do 1 million buybacks, the price will keep crashing. So until they do this, until they take really concrete action like other projects have done, a lot of projects have done this. You have Spartacus DAO, guys. Take a look at Spartacus DAO. Spartacus DAO, they have taken the hit. Yes, they have taken the hit, but they did what is necessary. They did what is necessary. They reduced the APY, and now even Hector DAO, they did that. Hector DAO recently, you go to their website, you will see that they have reduced their APY. So the APY right now is, I think around, last time I saw it was 10,000. Now it's 3,000. So 3,000% is a big difference. It's a big difference from 80,000%. So this is why this is cannot sustain, and the price has plummeted for Wonderland. Now I do expect that the price of Wonderland will keep plummeting unless they fix this APY. It's gonna keep plummeting. Even if they do 1 million buybacks, they're just gonna drain the treasury. So they have to find a way out. Now there's another leak that has came to our attention, and this leak was actually came up in a message that was inside the Discord channel for Neo Tokyo. For those of you who don't know what Neo Tokyo is, it's basically a group of people that bought or minted Alex Becker's NFT, the Neo Tokyo citizens. They have their chat, Discord chat, and some people there, they made a tweet saying that the Daniel is doing a slow rug pull. So I'm not gonna get into that right now because that's gonna create FUD, and I believe in Daniel and his mission, what he's doing. So I'm gonna dig more deeply into that and I'll let you guys know about it. But for now, I'm telling you, the price will keep going down. So be careful on the short term. Yes, great project. They're gonna do airdrop, they're gonna do venture capitalist stuff. But at the end of the day, all we care about is our money, right? We don't want to lose money. Do you want to lose money? Nobody likes losing money. And now a lot of people are pissed off. Just go to their Twitter page and see what they're talking about. Everybody is bashing the project right now. So that's the news about Wonderland. I'll keep you posted on the updates coming up for this project. Now, let's move on to another news. The other news that I have is regarding Blocktopia. So guys, let's move on. Blocktopia. Where is it? This is the Twitter page for Blocktopia, and there is two news actually for Blocktopia. The first one is that they are launching a new coin. They're launching a new token called BPAD, BlockPad. And this, I was confused when I look at this. I'm like, what are you talking about? We thought that the block tokens are the tokens that we're gonna use inside BlockPad for the IDOs. So this is the launchpad that they have on Blocktopia, where you can stake coins, stake the block coins, and then you're going to be able to participate in the IDO. So this is bad news for the Blocktopia token. Why are they launching this coin? And it seems that they said that the reason for having this coin is that they got feedback from the community after the launch of their first game, which is the Sidious Heroes. They decided to create two separate channels. So you're going to have two separate services. One is called BlockPad VIP and the other one is called BlockPad Essential. So BlockPad VIP is going to be, let's say, for the most important big games, and for that you will need your Blocktopia coins, the block tokens, in order to participate in that IDOs for these big games. And now the BlockPad Essential is what you will use to participate in the other games, the shitty games, if I'm allowed to say. For that you will need the BPAD. So I'm not so sure about BPAD now. This is, I think, in my opinion, is bad news for the project in general, for Blocktopia and the BlockPad, because like who wants to be part of Block Essential? I don't want to be part of Block Essential and get all the bad games. Any project, I don't want any project. I want the best projects, the VIP. I'm a VIP. I want to make money. And you promised me that I'm going to get it with Block. Now you're coming up with this new BPAD coin. So anyways, guys, they're having this IDO. You can find the IDO. You can do it on TrustPad or BlockPad. It's happening tomorrow. So you don't have time. Wait, I don't even know which day is it. Is it happening tomorrow? The registration starts now. So it's happening tomorrow, yes. Today is 26. That tells you how much I've lost the sense of time due to Corona. But anyways, guys, you see it here, BlockPad opening up. It's January 28. You can participate if you have BlockPad, if you have TrustPad coins. If you don't, then you can participate with BlockPad too, or both. If you have both, you can just make more money with it. But I'm not sure about this coin. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it actually. So this is the first news. They're splitting it up. The second news that we have for Blocktopia is actually exciting. This is more exciting. So guys, check this out. They are having an NFT sale. They're having an NFT sale. But what is this NFT sale is going about? This NFT sale is going to happen on Binance in the end of the month, on January 31st. They are doing these sales for these NFTs, and these NFTs are actually used for advertisements. They're going to be used within the game. So within the game, they have these kind of billboards or whatever you want to call them. People can buy these NFTs and then advertise them. put advertisements on these within the game. So the game is going to have multiple levels. So there's 21 levels within the game, and there's going to be a large one in the middle of each level, and 4 smaller ones on each corner. So they call them totems, and these totems are going to be generating revenue for whoever buys them, because they're going to get percentage of the advertising revenue. So this, guys, is going to be huge, because any company, big companies but they buy this, it's going to drive up the price for the BlockPad, because they need to buy block tokens in order to participate in that. So the prices are high for these ones. So the small totems are going to cost 1.5 million block, and the large ones, they're going to cost 3 million blocks to get that NFT. But it's going to be beneficial for the price of the token, because what they will do is that, first of all, all of this money that is going to be used to purchase these NFTs is going to be locked. So 50% of these block tokens will be locked for 2 years, which is going to increase the price of the coin. And the other 50% is going to be burned. So this is going to be a good event. I don't know what's going to be the impact of this event actually on the price of Blocktopia, since we have a lot of Blocktopia tokens. We have billions of tokens out there. But still, this is good news. This is good news for the project, because it's going to have another revenue stream for the holders. Now, with that being said, guys, remember, this video is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. This video is made only for entertainment and educational purposes, and you should always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing into any asset class. And with that being said, guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one.